Hi everyone, welcome back to Design Craft channel. Today, I'm bringing you a very special crochet project, this adorable Dachshund Hotdog. This is a limited edition member exclusive tutorial created especially for my channel members. If you love this cute little design and would like to make one yourself, you can join the channel membership to unlock this exclusive video tutorial along with many other special crochet projects available only for members. This Dachshund Hotdog is not only cute as a handmade doll, but also the perfect size to turn into a keychain, bag charm, or a unique little gift. With its tiny hotdog costume, complete with lettuce, tomato, cheese and bun details, it's sure to become an adorable addition to your crochet collection. Thank you so much for supporting my channel and being part of this crochet community. I hope you enjoy making this special, limited edition design with me.